Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday and I'm just getting ready for school right now. So I'm going to be putting on this lotion on my face. I don't typically use this lotion like in the morning, but I'm just using it now since it's my birthday and I wanted to use it. Also, I have my sweater down because it has my school logo on it and I don't feel like doing this the whole time. So yeah, but I will put it on eventually. I already greased up my whole body, so I'm just like putting it grease on my face now because yeah, I'm using Vaseline, by the way. Okay, now time to use glitter. Blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance. I'm gonna use this perfume and put it on like my wrists and right there, or just yeah, I'm gonna put on my earrings. Okay, now I'm gonna put on mascara before I forget and like I'm rushing. I'm gonna put my best on my face. Okay, and this year I'm probably just gonna wear my tiara. I don't know if I want to wear my sash as well. I don't really want to actually, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna wear my tiara and call it a day. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my Apple Watch, put on my shoes, and then next time you see me, I'm gonna be doing my hair. I already packed my bags off camera because I packed the day we were leaving, so it's kind of like a rush thing. This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this. Okay, hey guys, so I haven't really been talking and a lot happened. So I got the pass to get the wolf ears. And also, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the hotel. So when you walk in, the bathroom's right here. And there's also a mirror right here. And then here's the two beds, like the place where you can put all your stuff. And then this bed that was turned, this couch that was turned into a bed. So yeah, and a table to eat. Okay guys, so I'm in the room now, and it's 11, like around 11:30 or something, and I need to go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm just gonna do my night routine and everything. I don't feel like recording much, but tomorrow I'll be recording a lot and everything, so yeah. Every season has its season, maybe dancing off to it. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have it. Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, so right now I'm about to go and eat breakfast.
Okay guys, so this is my breakfast. This is like French toast. This is pancakes with bacon, scrambled eggs, then some sausage underneath. And these are like buttermilk pancakes, and then these are the regular ones. And yeah. Okay guys, we're about to go to the pool, so I'm about to change out of my PJs, and yeah. Alright guys, this is what I'm wearing. I was only able to film a little bit of me at water because the thing I bought to put my phone in so my phone doesn't get wet, it broke. So yeah.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm, seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot of war, took a lot of loss.
So you guys saw a little bit of a glimpse of me like at the pool. I wasn't really able to film because the thing that I brought to put my phone in so I can record like in water, it broke as soon as I got there. So I was only able to film like some things and stuff, but I went on the slides and stuff, most of them, just not the ones on the other side. Did the lazy river, all that. But now I'm getting ready to go and eat. So yeah, I already put some mascara on, and then I did my edges. I'm just letting it lay down, and then I'm gonna be putting on this flower that I made. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is flower, these pants, and I like changed up my outfit a little bit. So yeah, and my curls are kind of like wavy now. Like they're not really like all bunched up anymore. They're just like wavy now. But yeah, it's cute still. So yeah. Set me down and let me get my feet right. Now all my bad dreams get a goodbye. I don't know what you do, keep me on assignment. Angels surrounding me on my ride. Okay guys, so they had a lot of variety, but I took one onion ring, fries, lemon, I think it's TSO chicken, and fried rice. Long story short, I got a bruise on my fingernail, and that like really affected my mood, and I was kind of like downcast. So yeah. We're in a mirror maze right now, so like.
All the things I leave behind, living for another. Guess I will love you till it kills me. Mind on the loose, can you hear me? Always accused of what I used to be. Reaching for the things I know, something that'll make me whole. I'm gonna love you kills me.
Okay guys, so I'm back home and I got ready for church and I did my edges, did a little bun in my hair. Probably gonna put on my tiara, and this is the dress I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.